Here are the top 3 best Piranhaa plant puppet tip-tops, part 15. Enjoy, joy, joy.
Yellow
Yay!
or
Think
green?
this font is for today. Maisie chose yellow, 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 and then wins. That has a win, thanks.
Purple or pink?
In the second question, she chooses purple. Then she fails. No, okay, Maisie fails. The last question. Second tip-top, red or green. Now Maisie chooses red. And then winks. Now let us move on to the last tip-top and finish. Glacier chooses green and then fails. Yeah, I can't end this video on a win, but I think it is time for an end. No, okay, Glacier loses this question. 100% fail. Bad luck. Thanks for watching.